In today's Google Classroom, we're going to be talking about one more and one less. Each of your slides has a number in the middle in that green circle. The first thing you're going to do is find it on the number line. So you're going to take your oval and you're going to drag it over top of the number that's shown. So this slide is the number 12. After that, you can use your number line or just your brain to figure out what one more than that number is and then what one less than that number is. So if my number is 12, I know that one more is 13. So I'm going to double click on my question mark and then I'm going to type in 13 with my keyboard. Then I'm going to think about what number is one less. I can use my number line to help. I'll double click that question mark and I'll type in 11 because 11 is one less than 12. Then down below you have two math equations. Your first one is 12 minus 1. You can use your number line to help you subtract, or you can use your fingers or just your brain to do 12 minus 1. When you figure out the answer, you can double click on the question mark and then type in your number. And I know 12 minus 1 is 11. And then over here we're going to do addition, 12 plus 1. Again, you can use your number line to help. And I know 12 plus 1 is 13, so I double click and then type in 13 on my keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and do all the slides over here, and then when I'm done, I'm going to turn it in to my teacher.